Hello, my name is Anna and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my experience with Lean Belly Breakthrough. So, a couple of months ago, I was just really sad and I just didn't know what to do because I was gaining weight so fast and I couldn't lose not even 1 pound, and I tried all of the methods in the world. Like, all of them, like the lemon diet, the doing a lot of exercise that didn't work either, even being vegan. And it was just insane. I started to look in the internet and I thought to myself, like, please internet, just give me some answers. And it did. I discovered Lean Belly, and since then, since I discovered it, I have a lean belly. Unbelievable, right? Like, I just had to do for 2 minutes every day this amazing remedy, and you have to believe me, like, it is so worth it, and it's not hard at all. If you order it, you will have a guarantee, and the guarantee is that if it doesn't work, well, they have another solution for you. Please go to the link below to see more information about this product. Thank you.